How do I collaborate with other YouTubers and influencers?
Go make friends, Sheldon.
Collaborations is possibly one of the fastest ways to expand your audience, get known in multiple niches for just generally being in front of that audience. I've done a few collaborations on this channel over the years. But the best way to collaborate with someone is, wait for it, this is really important, ask. You'll be amazed how many people are not asked. You'll be amazed how many people, if you just reach out to them, they'd be more than willing to collaborate. That's kind of the problem with the influencer scene and the YouTube scene. Many people live within their own bubble.
What's a bubble boy?
He lives in a bubble.
Try and collaborate with people within your own niche if that's your intended growth pattern. But if you don't really have a niche, then reach out to people that would find something fun. Maybe you're a knitting channel and you really like Mr. Beast. Why don't you knit Mr. Beast a jumper with his logo on it and sending pictures? Now, Mr. Beast is a huge example. A collaboration there may be out of your depth. But if you find other creators around a similar kind of subscriber base as yourself, say you've got 3,000 subscribers, you start reaching out to other YouTubers that have 2,000 to 5,000 subscribers, and then try and communicate with them, offer some, here you go, look, I was thinking maybe we could do this. This is a mutually beneficial collaboration. Maybe you're in the same country, maybe you do similar things, maybe you're both gamers, whatever it needs to be. I honestly believe just asking is the first step towards communication. This doesn't mean spamming their comment section with collab with me, collab with me, collab with me, because that will get them annoyed with you.
Mom!
But I promise you, many YouTubers that are starting are more than happy to do so, more than happy to collab. It's just a very isolating bubble and people just don't ask these days. Pop into forums, have a look at Facebook groups and that kind of thing, or even tweet out on Twitter. You'll be surprised what kind of results you'll get. And you'll be surprised the answers that you can find in my YouTube frequently asked questions playlist right here that will help you make those videos.